That is the next question. 6 equal heavy beams are fastened or freely jointed at their ends to form a hexagon and placed in a vertical plane with one beam resting on a horizontal plane. The middle point of the upper slant beam, which are inclined angle theta to the horizon, are connected by a light cord. Find the tension in the term of W and theta, where W is weight of each beam. Listen students, that is hexagon made by 6 equal rods, each length 2a and weight W. A, B, C, D, E, F. According to the question, 6 equal heavy beams. Solution. Let A, B, C, D, E, F be a regular hexagon made by 6 equal beams of length 2a and weight W, right, placed in a vertical plane, placed in a horizontal plane, AF. Vertical plane. Beam AF is horizontal. The middle point of two upper slant beams. Upper slant beams are BC and DE. Their middle point connected by the cord. There is tension T in it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, that is O. Total weight of the 6 rods 6W acting at point O, and TB tension in this code, and the tension in terms of the middle point of slant beam which are inclined angle theta to the horizon, that is horizon. The slant beam which are inclined slant beam, that is slant beams AB, FE, BC, D are slant beams make angle theta to the horizon. Choose the length of each rod or each beam. We find out GH because GH is code. GH is a light code, has tension T. Connected the middle point of upper slant beams. We find out GH and after it the distance of it from the point of suspension, point of attachment, point of placement, etc. OM equals to OM in this triangle. OM, that is hypotenuse perpendicular to a sin theta, and GH GK plus KL plus LH. GK, that is A. BC equals to 2A. BC is a beam whose length 2A, and G is middle point of BC, that is GC equals to A cos theta KL 2A cos theta 2A cos theta plus 2A. Applying principle of virtual work, minus T delta GH minus 6W delta OM. GH 2A cos theta plus 2A 6W delta OM 2A sin theta 2A T sin theta delta theta minus 12W cos theta delta theta and equals to 0, and dividing by 2A sin theta delta theta we get 6W cot theta. That is the tension in terms of W and theta. That's all.